Hello everyone, and meet the KISLOT Queen Bed Frame with its stunning vertical channel, tufted wingback headboard. This opulent velvet upholstered platform bed brings a touch of luxury and comfort to any modern bedroom. Solid wood slats and 9 supporting legs provide over 800 pounds of stable mattress support. You can sleep soundly, knowing the foam and fabrics are fully certified for a health-conscious home. Utilize the 6-inch underbed clearance to store your belongings and keep your space organized. This sturdy foundation eliminates the need for a box spring and assembles easily in 30 minutes. Experience a noiseless night of rest with this beautiful and durable upholstered bed frame today. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.